Hey everyone, in this video we are exploring DOM manipulation, one of the most powerful features in JavaScript. It allows you to change your web page structure, content or style without reloading the browser page. The DOM stands for Document Model Object. It's how your website understands an HTML page. Think of it like a tree. Every element like a heading, paragraph or a button is a branch, and JavaScript can grab any branch, move it, change it, or even delete it. Imagine rearranging furniture in your room. It's still the same room, just with a different setup. DOM manipulation works the same way. Here's a simple example. This code grabs an element with the ID, title and changes its content to welcome using inner HTML just like magic. DOM manipulation helps your website respond in real time. Want to show a pop-up, hide a section, update a form? JavaScript can do all that by manipulating the DOM. It's how modern dynamic websites come alive for users.